What if I told you hackers are using free public tools to break into networks and steal information right now? Today, we're diving into the top 10 free hacking tools used by both ethical hackers and cybercriminals so you can understand the threats and protect yourself. Don't misuse any of these tools. Number 10 on our list is the Tor Browser, a revolutionary tool that makes the dark web possible. It's not just a browser, it's a portal to a hidden world. Tor bounces your internet traffic through layers of encrypted servers worldwide, creating a complex web of connections that makes it nearly impossible to trace your online activities back to you. Originally developed by the US Navy for secure communications, Tor has evolved into a tool used by a diverse range of people, from journalists seeking to protect their sources to hackers looking to conceal their identities. Its powerful anonymity features act as a magnet for illegal activity, allowing users to hide their location and actions online, far from the prying eyes of law enforcement. Without Tor, the dark web as we know it wouldn't exist. It's the backbone of this hidden network, enabling a world of both secrecy and intrigue. Every tool on this list becomes far more dangerous when combined with Tor's anonymity. It amplifies the potential for both good and evil. Hackers can route attacks through multiple countries, making them digital phantoms, elusive and difficult to catch. But Tor isn't just for criminals. Activists and whistleblowers rely on it for privacy and protection, using it as a shield against oppressive regimes. It's the ultimate double-edged sword, a shield for the oppressed, a cloak for the malicious. It embodies the dual nature of technology. Understanding Tor is critical. It's not just a browser, but a philosophy of online privacy and freedom. It challenges us to consider the balance between security and transparency. For every person using it for good, there's someone else using it to hide their crimes. It's a constant battle between light and shadow. Tor is the gateway to the digital underworld, a realm where anonymity reigns supreme and the boundaries of the internet are pushed to their limits. Number 9 is Metasploit, the Swiss Army knife of hacking. Metasploit is a massive open-source platform packed with thousands of attack scripts for exploiting vulnerabilities. It automates complex hacks, making cyber attacks accessible even to beginners. Both criminals and cybersecurity pros use it, one to break in, the other to find and fix weaknesses. Metasploit is constantly updated, always on the cutting edge of cyber warfare. It's a neutral tool. Its power depends on the user's intent. In the right hands, it's a shield. In the wrong hands, a battering ram. Metasploit is the ultimate hacking framework. Number 8 on our list is John the Ripper, often called the ultimate password cracking machine, and for good reason. This legendary tool has become a staple in the arsenal of both hackers and cybersecurity professionals alike. Hackers deploy John the Ripper to break encrypted passwords stolen from databases, unleashing its power to test millions, even billions of possible combinations every single second. It's a race against time, and John rarely loses. The tool uses a mix of dictionary attacks, trying common words and phrases, and brute force methods, systematically attempting every possible combination of letters, numbers, and symbols until it cracks the code wide open. Weak passwords like 123456 or password crumble in seconds, while only long, complex, and truly random passwords can withstand its relentless assault. The difference between a weak and strong password is the difference between being hacked in moments or being safe for centuries. Security professionals use John the Ripper as a proactive defense, scanning their own systems to uncover and fix weak passwords before cybercriminals can exploit them. It's a vital part of any serious security audit. John the Ripper is relentless, never tiring, and it's a stark reminder of why password hygiene is absolutely critical in today's digital world. One careless password can open the door to disaster. Consider this. An 8-character password might take just hours to crack, but a 16-character random password could take centuries, even for the fastest computers. John the Ripper is a wake-up call for everyone. Your password is your first and sometimes only line of defense against cyber threats. In the wrong hands, John the Ripper becomes a skeleton key, unlocking your digital life and exposing your most sensitive information to criminals. But in the right hands, it's a powerful shield, helping to secure your accounts and keep your data safe from harm. Remember, the strength of your password could be all that stands between you and a cyber attack. Number 7 is Wireshark, the ultimate network eavesdropper. Wireshark captures and displays every packet of data on a network, letting hackers see what everyone is doing on public Wi-Fi. If a site isn't encrypted, your passwords and messages are visible to anyone running Wireshark. It's a digital wiretap, exposing everything on an unsecured network. Network admins use it to troubleshoot and analyze traffic, but hackers use it to steal credentials and spy. Always use encrypted connections. Look for HTTPS to protect yourself. On public Wi-Fi, Wireshark turns hackers into invisible spies. It's powerful, indispensable, and dangerous in the wrong hands. That padlock icon in your browser, it's your best defense. Number 6 on our list is Hydra, the high-speed brute force attacker that strikes fear into the hearts of cybersecurity experts worldwide. Hydra is notorious for targeting live online services, relentlessly hammering login pages with thousands upon thousands of username and password combinations every single minute. It supports a wide array of protocols, attacking everything from simple web logins to complex databases, leaving no stone unturned in its quest for access. Hackers cleverly use extensive proxy lists to avoid detection, making their attacks appear as if they're coming from thousands of different users across the globe. Security testers often employ Hydra to stress test their own systems, ensuring that lockout policies are robust and effective against such relentless attacks. In the wild, Hydra is relentless, constantly searching for weak points in real time, exploiting any vulnerability it can find. It automates brute force attacks to a terrifying degree, making it a formidable adversary in the digital realm. If your password is weak, rest assured, Hydra will find it and exploit it without hesitation. It's like a battering ram for digital doors, smashing through defenses with relentless force. Hydra is the mythological beast of password cracking, a many-headed serpent that adapts and evolves, always ready to strike. Number 5 is SQLmap, the master of database attacks. SQLmap automates SQL injection, letting hackers steal, modify, or delete data from vulnerable websites. A hacker points SQLmap at a target, and it tries hundreds of attack techniques until it finds a way in. Once inside, it can dump entire databases or even take over the server. SQLmap is responsible for some of the biggest data breaches in history. Security pros use it to find and fix vulnerabilities before criminals exploit them. It's a point-and-shoot weapon for data theft. SQLmap is the safecracker of the digital world. Number 4 is Nmap, the network mapper. Nmap scans networks to find open ports, services, and devices, creating a blueprint for hackers. It identifies operating systems and software versions, revealing potential vulnerabilities. Hackers use Nmap as the first step in any attack, mapping out targets before striking. Network admins use it to audit and secure their own systems. Nmap is essential for both offense and defense. It doesn't break in, but it shows you where the doors are. Nmap is so iconic, it's even appeared in movies. It's the reconnaissance drone of the hacking world. With Nmap, knowledge is power. Number 3 is Aircrack-ng, the Wi-Fi password thief. Aircrack-ng captures Wi-Fi traffic, then cracks network passwords using brute force or dictionary attacks. Once a hacker has the password, they can access the network and launch further attacks. Weak Wi-Fi passwords fall quickly. Strong random ones are much harder to crack. Aircrack-ng is a reminder. Your wireless security is only as strong as your password. Use WPA3 and long, complex passwords to stay safe. Hackers use Aircrack-ng to get inside your digital walls. Once inside, they can spy, map, and attack. Aircrack-ng is the first step to a bigger breach. Number 2 is TheHarvester, the Information Scavenger. TheHarvester collects public data about a target emails, names, subdomains, and more. Hackers use this info for phishing, guessing usernames, and mapping attack surfaces. It's open source intelligence, OSINT, at its finest. TheHarvester builds the target list for the rest of the hacking process. Security pros use it to show companies how much info is exposed. Sometimes the easiest way in is by tricking a human. TheHarvester is the hacker's private investigator. Number 1 is Cuckoo Sandbox, the Malware Lab. Cuckoo runs suspicious files in a secure, isolated environment, recording everything they do. Hackers use it to test new malware. Researchers use it to analyze threats safely. It reveals how malware behaves, what files it changes, and what networks it contacts. Cuckoo helps hackers refine their code and helps defenders build protections. It's the battleground where digital weapons are dissected. Cuckoo Sandbox is critical for both attack and defense. It's the ultimate tool for understanding malware. In cybersecurity, knowledge is survival. These 10 tools are the backbone of both cybercrime and cybersecurity. Understanding them is your first step to staying safe online. Use strong passwords, be cautious on public Wi-Fi, and watch out for phishing. Knowledge is your best defense in the digital world. This video is for education. Use what you've learned responsibly. If you want more deep dives, hit like and subscribe. Stay safe, and see you in the next one.